Heyo, what's up? It's Taylor Grant. It's your boy from Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, so today's comes to us from Johnny of Loveland, Colorado. After sending their inspector to inspect my roof and confirming wind and hail damage, the insurance company still hasn't approved my claim. It has been 2 months, and the only answer that I am getting is from my agent that we're here to help. But they have no real authority, the agent, I'm assuming. It seems that their objective is to reject claims. Oh, I didn't even have to say that. You guys are starting to understand how insurance companies work and how unfair it is to us as consumers. We pay monthly premiums for coverage that we expect to have when something happens, right? So if you have a commercial property insurance claim, a industrial property insurance claim, or a residential property insurance claim in northern Colorado, we work on the commercial side from Cheyenne to Pueblo, okay? And on the residential side, we are just in northern Colorado. So if you have an insurance claim you'd like to talk to us about, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.